Alright guys, this is Andrew and Sarah. Today we're doing a mock safety lab. So I will be demonstrating it, and Sarah's going to be telling you exactly what's going on so that students can follow.
Alrighty, so the first thing we have here is this is the safety box, and there are going to be 6 of these set up at your rotation, and there's going to be 12 of these set up at your event, and that means there's going to be 2 students. So Andrew's got his hands going in here. Your other student's hands would go in this side. There's going to be another set of gloves on this side, so you don't even have to worry about that. So what Andrew's doing is he's got his hands in the gloves now, so make sure the students are super careful because these are stapled, so they shouldn't go anywhere. However, if your kids are rough, then they can easily tear them off. So make sure that you warn the kids to be gentle with them. And so the kids are gonna put their hands in. However, we're gonna need to make sure, first of all, that there are no kids with latex allergies, because if there are, sorry, they're gonna have to sit this event out, but we don't want anybody going into anaphylactic shock. So make sure we ask that before we have a go. All right, so now that Andrew's got his hands in, he's gonna tell you we've got a plastic baggie right here. This is what they're going to be scraping their moon dust into. We've got a scraping tool that they will be used to be scraping their moon rock. We've got the moon rock itself, which is right here. And then we've also got this little plastic weigh boat that we're using, and this is going to be the collection bowl for their moon dust. So with their partner's help, what they're going to do is they're going to pick up the moon rock, and they're going to pick up their chisel. And they're going to start scraping some moon dust off of this rock. So we've got the moon rock here, and don't worry, we've got enough to go around. So you're going to want to get about a dime-sized amount, penny-sized amount, whatever. You just don't want to let them take the whole rock. So let them work at it, let them go at it for a few minutes, because, you know, they're going to take a little longer than Andrew here, because Andrew's pretty fast. He's gotten pretty proficient at this. All right, so once they've got roughly what Andrew has here, they are going to grab their plastic baggie. They're going to open it. And then they're going to pour their moon dust into their baggie. All right, after they've done that, they're going to zip it up or tie it up. And then there's going to be a door on this side or this side, one of the long sides, that they're going to pass this baggie through so that they can collect it and take it home. After they've done that, there's going to be a label with their teacher's name and their school on it, just like there is at several of the other locations. And they're going to write their name on it, and that will be their baggie of moon dust. All right, but before they do that, they're going to actually have to take off their gloves. Now, people with small hands may not even have this problem, but as you see, Andrew is going through and he's taking the gloves off one finger at a time and not just ripping his hands out. Otherwise, this will pull the gloves out of the box, and that is not what we want to happen. So yeah, there you have it. You've got your very own specimen of moon dust.